UK waters down. Russian oil sanctions amid jet fuel crisis brought on by Strait of Hormuz closure. The UK government has watered down sanctions on Russia, allowing diesel and jet fuel from Russian crude oil to enter the UK if it is refined in other countries. Officials have issued a license, which comes into force on Wednesday, allowing the import of such oil products indefinitely, although it will be reviewed periodically by the business secretary. It comes amid fears of jet fuel shortages this summer as the conflict in the Middle East continues to restrict the global supply of oil. The UK had banned the import of oil products refined in third countries from Russian origin crude in October last year in a bid to ramp up financial pressure on Russia as it continued its war in Ukraine. But it has reversed course through this latest move. Chancellor Rachel Reeves said at the time that banning the products was the right approach to ensure that Russian oil is not finding its way onto global markets, and indeed finding its way into UK markets, and that ministers would take whatever actions necessary to destroy the capability of the Russian government to continue this illegal war in Ukraine. Other refined oil products made from Russian origin crude oil, such as petrochemicals and heating oil, remain banned. In January, the EU also banned products refined in other countries but made from Russian origin oil. A rollback has been taking place in the US as well. On Monday, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent announced another extension of a sanctions waiver, allowing the purchase of Russian oil at sea. As the major oil and gas shipping route, the closure of the Strait of Hormuz prevented fossil fuel flows, and oil prices rose, putting pressure on the Trump administration. In an attempt to lower prices, the U.S. government in March implemented a 30-day waiver on Indian refiners, allowing them to buy Russian oil at sea. Russia has also been a beneficiary of higher oil prices, as its fossil fuel has become more valuable.